Let me show you all of the camera pro mode settings on Oppo Find X9 Pro. So first of all, we'll need to launch the camera obviously, and then we can navigate all the way to the left and find the master mode, which acts as a pro mode for this specific model. From here, let's start from the top left corner of the screen and move to the bottom. So here we have flash. You probably know how to use it. You can turn it on and off or put it on always on. Then there's the photo format that you can switch between JPEG, JPEG Max, RAW or RAW Max. Then there's those three lines that allows you to switch aspect ratio for your photos, which may be not compatible with other settings. If you change it to specific aspect ratio, you can add a timer to your photos. That way you'll be able to time the shutter. Then there's histogram that you can activate, focus peaking, magnify focus, and face metering. You can turn all of those options on and off, and then we can slowly move to the bottom. Here we have the mode. We can switch between auto or pro. Auto, which will automatically adjust all of the settings for the camera pro mode, and pro mode manual will allow you to adjust those settings manually. So you can change ISO, which corresponds to the brightness of your photos. The shutter speed, which changes for how long your camera lens will remain open after taking a photo. The longer it is, the more brighter photos you will make. Then there's the evaluation or the exposure. You can adjust it, but to adjust it you will need to put camera shutter on automatic settings. And then there's the exposure that you can adjust. You can also do it for normal photo if you want. Then there's autofocus. You can put it on auto or turn it off and then adjust focus manually. Moving it all the way to the left will put some kind of a macro mode. And lastly, there's white balance. You can go between warm colors or more into bluish colors, colder colors as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.